Are you all happy at home?
Yes, ma'am. We are happy. We are happy. We are
Do you
happy.
feel like coming to school?
No, not that much.
No,
Not that much.
No.
not that much. What is the reason? It
What
has
is
become a comfortable zone for you? Huh?
Yes,
Will be, we
no.
can see all our friends.
Ah, yes, yes. A lot of relaxation at home, right?
Yes.
Only 3 subjects to be learned.
Not that, ma'am.
I'm
Not that, ma'am.
studying or
In
something.
the school, it will be very happy.
Yes, anyway, you have to be back, okay? I'm waiting for that. So in the last class, we were doing reading comprehension. That is passage 1. We completed it. And I hope you have done with the answers. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your textbooks. Please lift it up.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your textbooks. Let me see whether you have done or not. Okay, good. Sri Shankar. Royce. Good. Vinayak.
Am I ready?
Shreya.
This also.
Chintan,
And
Rena.
this also. This also.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Good.
Back screen, Muli. Back screen.
Then who else? Pranava, Vaiga, show me your textbooks, all of you.
Finish
Okay.
all dots.
Krishna. Then
Ma'am,
Pooja.
I had shown.
Yes,
Huh? You have
Ma'am, I
changed
had-
your name to user.
ma'am. Someone make name
This is
like
the user
user.
name.
User.
User.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
my mother's.
That's okay. I was just joking.
Admin also, ma'am. Admin.
All right. What about others?
Admin.
Show me your textbooks. Ahil. Okay, Shivagayatri. Good. I saw it.
Oh my.
Oh, somebody is.
Admin. Someone named like admin
Amin.
and
Okay.
user.
Mohammed
And
Zain.
that is
All right.
Diana.
User is
My
user.
internet connection is unstable.
Network
Can you hear
bandwidth
me,
is
children?
low, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
We can hear you.
Okay. All right. So I'm happy that you have done your part. So let's move into the second passage. Are you ready with the text?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. We are ready.
So let's get
Exactly,
started. Page number 21.
Ma'am, I taken. Took. Ma'am, I took.
Okay, I want Royce to read. Royce, start reading.
Ma'am.
Everyone, be ready with the textbook, page number 21. We're going to discuss passage 2. Royce, yeah. Unmute and read. Louder. Very loudly. We all have lunch.
No, ma'am.
Yes
No,
or
ma'am.
no?
No.
No.
Yes,
No.
ma'am. Yes.
Even I did not have. But still, you have to be very energetic. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I have.
We will
Ma'am,
be.
I had, but something.
Okay, Royce, read.
Landscape printer, another and poet. Here is the silt, remember, for his
Once again from the beginning, loudly and clearly.
Edward
Lear,
Edward Lear was an
illustrator,
landscape painter
hmm,
and poet.
author and poet.
Lear, he still
Lear is still remembered.
for page number
21, page number 21.
poetry for
Nonsense
children.
poetry for children,
known
known as limericks.
as Lumlin.
Hmm.
Before
Lear's writings.
writing most literature for children was failed with
Children was. Okay, child is singular and children, it's a plural. Do not say children's. Clear? Hmm.
instruction.
Yes, ma'am.
Edward Lear was a pointer
Pioneer,
of short and funny poetry.
all right. Next, who will read? Shivagayatri. Okay, thank you, Royce. Read. My dear, why are you touching the camera?
Ma'am, not that, it's just falling.
Yes, read it quickly.
Edward
For this
Lear
reason,
for this for this reason, Edward Lear has become a truly evergreen author, fondly nicknamed as the father of limerick.
yes,
Edward Lear
Edward Lear's nonsense poems,
poems and drawings enable a much needed comic
comic relief
for the rigid
rigid society of Victorian England. Hmm.
Children were raised very strictly in the Victorian times, and their
education
excluded humor or loud
laughter.
Imagine.
Laughter. Okay. Thank you. Next,
What is the meaning of humor?
I will explain. Don't worry. Okay. Let me make you read once, and then we'll go on with the explanation. Joel, read. Read from the next line.
Okay, ma'am.
Read fast. Children, you have to be attentive while it is read. Joel, read. Imagine.
Imagine the
Sheer delight
that the children must have
felt upon
reading
Lear's works,
in which the most
ridiculous
and
absurd situations
were
presented
as
rhymes.
Lear's
Limericks
are
genuinely
meaningless and
lacked any punchline
or
purpose. Okay. Next, Russell Ben-Hur.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my dear, read. Regardless of this, read fast.
Ma'am, where should she stop?
Didn't you listen? Didn't you listen to him?
No, ma'am, that first passage, last question I was writing, so I can't
My dear,
listen.
when I ask you to listen, you have to listen, okay? Writing can be done later. Second paragraph, last line, second paragraph. Regardless of this, did you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, read.
Despite
No. Just the previous line, second paragraph, last line. Regardless of this, they were
Lear adored his friends
No.
and his
Okay, Russell, stop. Sri Shankar, read.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you, please listen. Look into the textbook. We are reading passage 2. Okay.
Where up to stop?
We are reading through passage 2. So all of you concentrate on it. Don't go for any other writing.
Yes,
Sri Shankar, read.
ma'am, up to.
What happened?
Ma'am, up to.
You also did not listen. Okay.
Ma'am, please.
Shreya, read.
Regardless of this, they were a desirable source of entertainment and escape from the received norms of the Victorian society.
Despite
Somebody is
Society.
reading
being
with me,
born
ma'am.
and raised in England,
Yes.
Lear traveled.
Oh,
Someone is
Sri
reading
Shankar
with
is
me.
reading in between. My dear Sri Shankar, you just stop. Okay, let's
Okay, ma'am.
Shreya read. Your chance is over. And I
Despite,
asked you to read, you were confused. Okay, Shreya, continue.
despite being born and raised in England,
Hmm.
Lear traveled abroad for most of his adult life.
Hmm.
During these travels, he loved to draw animals and landscapes. He
Yes,
especially liked birds.
birds.
Lear
Adored.
adored his friends and his dear cat named San Reno.
Yes. One more line.
Okay, ma'am. He eventually built the house of his dreams in Italy, where he passed away of the age of
At the age of.
at the age of 75 in 1888.
All right. Okay. So I'm going to read the passage once again. You all listen, look into the text and listen. Edward Lear was an illustrator, landscape painter, author, and poet. Lear is still remembered for his nonsense poetry for children known as limericks today. Before Lear's writings, most literature for children was filled with common sense instruction. Edward Lear was a pioneer of short and funny poetic rhymes. For this reason, Edward Lear has become a truly evergreen author, fondly nicknamed as the father of limericks. Edward Lear's nonsense poems and drawings enabled a much needed comic relief for the rigid society of Victorian England. Children were raised very strictly in the Victorian times, and their education excluded humor or laughter. Imagine the sheer delight that the children must have felt upon reading Lear's works, in which the most ridiculous and absurd situations were presented as rhymes. Lear's limericks are genuinely meaningless and lacked any punchline or purpose. Regardless of this, they were a desirable source of entertainment and escape from the repressive norms of the Victorian society. Despite being born and raised in England, Lear traveled abroad for most of his adult life. During his travels, he loved to draw animals and landscapes. He especially liked birds. Lear adored his friends
My
and
video
his
because
dear cat named
ma'am can
Sandra.
off my video because here net is very low.
Okay. He eventually built the house of his dreams in Italy, where he passed away at the age of 75 in 1988.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it is 1888.
Sorry, 1888. Yes. Thank you. 1888. So now we are going to learn the pronunciation of certain words and also the spellings, and then we'll go for a discussion. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think you will be facing a bit difficulty with these words. The first word in the first line, illustrator. Repeat after me.
Illustrator.
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 What do you mean by illustrator? Any idea? Any idea?
No idea.
No idea. Illustrator means artist.
Artist.
Write down the meaning there in the text itself. Illustrator, artist.
Okay, ma'am.
Artist. Artist. Okay.
Yes.
So Edward Lear was an illustrator, landscape painter, author, and poet. Okay, landscape painter means a person who paints the land,
draws
the
pictures for
mountains, the
publications.
valleys, trees. Yes. Landscape
Publications.
painter. Okay. Depiction of
River
land
and all.
images. Just like mountains, trees, valleys,
Landforms,
also.
water bodies.
So the passage is entirely about a person, a renowned person known as Edward Lear. He was famous as an illustrator, landscape painter, author, and
And
poet.
poet.
Okay,
Ma'am.
you write it in the textbook itself with pencil. Then the next word, pioneer. Repeat after me. Pioneer.
Pioneer.
Stress is given to
Pioneer.
the syllable p.
Pioneer.
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 Yes. What do you mean by pioneer? Pioneer means the first person to use or apply or develop. So here in the first paragraph, we find that
Pioneer.
Edward Lear is remembered for his nonsense poetry,
Nonsense.
known as limericks. Nonsense means something which do not make sense. Have you learned any of the poems by
ma'am.
Edward Lear in the smaller classes last year or something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. No,
I
ma'am.
heard that word, ma'am. Edward Lear.
Nonsense poetry. Something
Yes,
that do
ma'am.
not make any
Yes,
sense.
poetry.
Which poem you have learned last year?
For
Owl and the Pussycat.
Yes,
Yes, Owl
very
and the
good.
Pussycat.
Owl and the
Owl and the
Pussycat.
Pussycat.
That is written by Edward Lear,
Edward
and
Lear.
it comes
Ma'am.
under the category of nonsense
Yes.
Owl and the
poem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So he's famous for nonsense poetry, which is known as limericks. Before Lear's writing, most literature for children was filled with common sense. You might have heard your
Common
teachers or
sense.
parents telling you should have
Yeah.
some common sense. Yes,
My
you
sister.
have heard like
My
that.
sister
Yes.
will tell.
Yes, ma'am.
You should have common sense. You should have sense. When
Yes.
you say something, it should make sense. Otherwise, people will think that what is wrong with this person? Huh?
Yes,
Such
ma'am.
kind of questions will be asked.
Ma'am.
So, before
Ma'am.
Lear's writings,
Writing.
the writing for children was mainly filled with common sense instruction. Edward Lear was a pioneer. Pioneer means first one to use or to apply or to develop short and
Ma'am.
funny poetic rhymes.
Ma'am,
He was
ma'am,
the first.
can you,
Yes.
excuse me, ma'am? Ma'am,
Yes.
can you say the short meaning of yeah?
Why there is a link?
Freya, I did not get you.
Why is there a link?
Ma'am, can you repeat the meaning one more time?
Pioneer.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, pioneer means
Pioneer.
first person to use or apply or develop. First one to use or apply.
Ma'am,
So, yes.
why there is a link? I mean, there is a link.
Excuse
Then I
me.
did not understand you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Link.
Why you send link in the WhatsApp?
Oh my dear, it's by mistake. Okay, I have not sent anything. I haven't sent anything. I do not
Ma'am,
know.
in the 5
It is there. It is there in the chat box.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Nothing
Then
is
what?
there.
Ma'am thought that he's telling in the WhatsApp. Yeah, ma'am, it was there in the WhatsApp. One link was sent.
No. I did
Ma'am.
not send anything.
Not ma'am. Another someone.
Ma'am, in the book one, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, in the book
Yeah. Source HTTP www mic IT book come.
Oh, that's that. I'll come to you later. I'll come to you later. It's there in the textbook. I was wondering what you were saying. I thought by mistake I sent some link in the chat box. Okay. Now listen. So Edward Lear was a pioneer of short and funny poems. He was the first person to write short and funny poems that did not make any sense. For this reason, Edward Lear has become a truly evergreen author, fondly nicknamed as the father of limericks. So Edward Lear was called as father of limericks because he used to write short poems that too funny and that too nonsense. Okay, there is another beautiful poem by Edward Lear titled "The Duck and the Kangaroo." Okay, in that poem we find duck and kangaroo. We know that animals do not have the capacity to speak.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Human beings have the quality of speaking, but we find that in the poem, duck and the kangaroo, they speak to each other. And the duck says that she's bored in spending time in the pond, and she's asking kangaroo to take a ride on the back of it. Okay.
Oh, no.
Said the duck to the kangaroo, good gracious, have you hope? Oh, the fields and the water too, as if he never would stop. So the poem goes like that. Okay. So we find that the duck and the kangaroo speaks to each other. Conversation. The entire poem is about a conversation between duck and the kangaroo. And the duck asks the kangaroo to take a ride on the back of its tail. Okay. So that is how the poem goes. So we find that Edward Lear was the pioneer, first one to use or apply or develop short and funny poetic rhymes. Is that much clear?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Yes.
ma'am.
Now let's
Yes,
move into the
ma'am.
second
Clear.
paragraph. Edward Lear's nonsense poems and drawings enabled a much needed comic relief for the rigid society of Victorian England. During the olden times, that is during the period of Queen Victoria in
Queen.
England,
Queen and king.
yes, in England, the people were very serious. The people during
Very
those
strict.
times were very serious, and they thought that while they give education to the children, they have to
Honey.
concentrate seriously on the content and not on anything else. Okay, so the entire humor and the laughter was taken away from the education in the
Ma'am,
olden
what's the
times.
meaning of humor?
Yes, humor
Humor.
means comical element. Comedy. Humor means comedy. I mean, my dear boys, sit straight.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, humor means comedy.
Ma'am.
Okay. Children were raised very strictly in the Victorian times. Nowadays, you find that the teachers gives you some jokes. Sometimes they say something, and the children, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see the children laughing in the
Yes,
class.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
enjoy very well.
Yes,
But then,
yes.
in the olden times, teachers also very strict, and
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
No comedy. No comedy. Ma'am, no comedy.
ma'am, can I leave the class? My phone is dead.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am is good. Connection problem.
Ma'am, my
Or
phone
failure.
is dead.
Power
All of you
failure.
mute your audio.
Amazon. Let's go. Amazon. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, my phone is dead, ma'am.
Ma'am, come. Ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am,
You are muted.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, you are muted. You are muted. Please unmute.
I did not mute it. It happened automatically. Okay. Can you all hear me?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Yes, yes, ma'am. It's okay.
There was a connectivity problem.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I leave the class? My phone dead, ma'am.
Okay.
I think so. Low battery.
Yes,
Low battery.
Yeah, low
So,
battery.
it's
Charging.
low
I
battery.
will take a new phone.
Display. I thought.
All right, all right. Okay, so we find that the children were raised very strictly in the Victorian times, and their education excluded humor or laughter. What is the
excluded
opposite of
means?
excluded? Opposite of excluded is
Included.
included. Okay, so in the
Actually,
education, no humor and no laughter was included. Okay,
No.
during the
not
olden
included.
times, the children were raised very.
What is humor?
Humor means comedy. Comedy. Imagine the sheer delight that the children must have felt upon reading Lear's works.
Fear means what, ma'am? Fear.
Okay, so Edward Lear used certain specific terms in his poem so that children would love to read and enjoy themselves.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Now, what's
in the poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo, the duck tells kangaroo, let's go to the Dee and Jellybo Lee. Those are the imaginary places. Okay,
Now, what,
according to
ma'am?
the poet's imagination has written. But the duck is a speaker. Let's go to the Dee and the Jellybo Lee. Let us go
and
around the world thrice. Okay, so all these terms will give immense pleasure or happiness for the children.
With
Children
laugh.
can read the poems, they can read the lines, and they can enjoy themselves. So imagine the sheer delight. Sheer means complete delight. Delight means happiness. Imagine the sheer delight that the children must have felt upon reading Lear's works.
Yes.
in which the most ridiculous and absurd situations were presented as rhymes. Ridiculous means laughable. So when you go through the lines, you feel like laughing.
Laughing.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am,
absurd. Absurd means
Very sad.
inappropriate,
Very
illogical, which does not make any sense. Okay, so
ma'am.
all these lines will be ridiculous and absurd, but it is presented in the form of short poems or rhymes.
absurd situations are
Lear's
personal.
limericks are genuinely meaningless and lacked any punchline or purpose. We know that nonsense poems are meaningless. It will not
Yes.
make any sense. And it lacks punchline.
Regardless
What is
of
punchline? When you see the movie, sometimes you might have noticed
Punch.
Suresh Gopi or Mahmood saying punch
English
dialogue.
movies.
Punch dialogue.
Punch
Yes,
dialogue.
ma'am. English movies.
Here it is punchline. What is that? Punchline.
Punchline.
That-
Subtitles.
that's like-
Subtitles.
Make us
Not
to laugh.
subtitles.
Like that.
Subtitles.
Like that sentences.
Ma'am,
They
With
make
regard
us
to
laugh.
poem, with
Punchline.
regard to poem of
Yes,
Edward
ma'am.
Lear, you have to think. And his poems are funny too. So punchline
Yes,
means the
Sentences
final
that make us
humorous,
Subtitles.
the final
Sounds
humorous
funny movies.
line in a poem or a story. Okay,
Okay.
punchline means the final humorous line in a poem or a story.
Correct story.
Okay, so
Ma'am,
Edward Lear's poems are meaningless and it lacks punchline.
Punchline.
All right.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Regardless of this, they were a desirable source of entertainment and
Yes, ma'am.
escape from the repressive norms of the Victorian society. Oh, this paragraph is tough for you, my dear little ones. Huh?
No, ma'am. It
Tough.
will be a dream.
All are
You
easy.
feel
Dream
so?
only, ma'am.
All
No,
are
no,
easy in the
ma'am.
world.
No, no, easy one. Then give me the
Yes,
word meaning of
yeah.
repressive.
No, ma'am.
You told me that it's easy, so give me the word meaning
Not
of
easy.
repressive.
Ma'am, it's not easy, but we are
It's not
when
easy,
we are
but
when
we are
we
able
are
to understand.
understanding and right.
Yeah?
World order.
When we are understanding and reading, it's easy.
Yes, some words are unfamiliar to you. Repressive. Repressive means strict and severe. Strict
And severe.
and severe.
Norms of
Severe.
society.
Okay, so regardless of this, even though his poems are meaningless, even though his poems are
Nonsense poems.
nonsense poems, they were a desirable source of entertainment. So when we go through the poem, we'll get
They
immense
make us
pleasure. The children will become
dream.
happy when they go through the lines of Edward Lear and escape from the repressive norms of the Victorian society. I told you that the Victorian people in the olden
Norms
they
Victoria.
were very serious.
Shit.
Okay, they did not give any importance to humor and laughter.
Yes.
Children were asked to sit inside a
Very
classroom.
strict. Very
Yes,
strict.
and they were to
No,
learn, but not no kind of laughing or playing in the.
why you are doing like so?
Yes, my dear.
Their government against
Why they are doing like
Parents,
that? That was the
government.
tradition in the olden times. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
That was the
I
kind
mean,
of
this
system that
huge
existed.
Victorian government do that.
But nowadays, I'm sure
It's
that
so freedom.
all the children
Very freedom.
have a good time inside the class and outside the class. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You all
Yes,
enjoy very
definitely.
well. The school life should be enjoyed. Okay, but
Yes, ma'am.
don't
Yes,
forget
ma'am.
about the learning.
Yes, ma'am. Only that.
Okay. So let's move to the last paragraph. Despite being born and raised in England, Lear traveled abroad for most of his adult life. So where was he born and brought up?
England.
Yes,
England.
Edward Lear was
UK,
born and brought up in
United
England,
Kingdom.
but he traveled abroad for most of his adult life. Once he grew into an adult, he traveled to many parts of the other countries as well. During his travels, he loved to draw animals and landscapes. So we know that he's an artist. He's an artist. He's a painter. So he loved drawing animals and landscapes. He especially liked birds. He adored his friends and his dear cat named Sandrino. What do you mean by adore? Adore.
Excuse me? Can adore.
He adored his friends. I adore my parents.
Love?
I adore my sister. Yes, adore means to love and respect.
Love and respect.
Make somebody surprise.
Yes, Ahil?
Nothing.
Ah, nothing. Okay. Please be in muted mode then. Okay. So adore means to love and respect. So
Respect
Ria
others.
adored his friends and his dear cat named Sandrano. So his cat was also very special for him. And he eventually built the house of his dreams in Italy,
Italy.
where he passed away at the age of 75 in
75 in
1888.
Ma'am, not 1988.
No,
1888.
1888. Okay. 1888. All right. So that's all about Edward Lear. So what did we learn today?
Am I come?
About Edward Lear.
Yes, about Edward Lear. Pooja, tell me something about Edward Lear.
Excuse me, ma'am. I come. Bad story.
Okay. Anandan.
Ma'am, bad story, ma'am.
England.
Ma'am, her
Once again,
Bad
louder.
story, ma'am.
connectivity very low, ma'am.
Yeah.
Pooja.
Network bandit is low.
Oh,
Yes,
so many
ma'am.
commentators in my class. Pooja, I'm listening to you. Can you just tell me about Edward Lear? Something that you remember about him?
Ma'am,
Not audible, my dear. Amin?
very
Amin,
bad.
Amin is restless there. Let him speak.
Network bandit.
Amin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me about Edward Lear. Vinayak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my dear. Tell me about Edward Lear.
Edward Lear writes funny poems and nonsense too.
Yes, very good. Edward Lear writes nonsense poems. That is funny. All right. Good. Advika, tell me something about Edward Lear. Advika,
To draw.
come on. Respond quickly.
I'm very bad storyteller.
Okay, somebody else. Pranava?
Ma'am,
Mummy, Sri Shankar.
Can I tell? Ahil.
Can I tell?
Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
He will write nonsense
Tell me quickly about
poems.
Edward Lear.
He will write nonsense
He's
poems.
an artist.
He's an artist. He's an artist.
He remembers. I think the time is over.
Yes, we are about to wind up the class. I want somebody else to.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
I
he's very bad.
He's an illustrator.
He's
Shreya will say the answer. Everyone listen to her.
He was his nickname as he was known as father of limericks.
Yes.
Was known as father of limericks, and Edward Lear was an artist and landscape painter, author, and poet.
Okay. All right.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
So do one thing. At home, you have to read this passage 3 times and mark all the words
And
which we
he
have
died in
discussed.
19
Okay.
he
And
died in
write and learn the
1888.
spellings also. In the next class, I'll give you a dictation. Okay.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I'll
Thank
give
you,
you a
ma'am. It was a
dictation of the
wonderful
difficult
session.
words which we have learned. And we'll be discussing the question answers in the next class. All right?
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.